Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Most of you will be required to use at least one academic journal article as a source for your first year writing course assignments. So here's a copy of the cover sheet for this essay. Usually you'll find everything that you need on this page to cite your source in both your Works Cited page and in your InText Citations. And you'll also be able to see how many people authored your source. For this example, we're using a single author journal article. On this page from the same article, I've highlighted the part that I want to use in my essay. Before I start, please note that you do not want to begin any of your sentences in your own essay with quotations. Do not just take whole sentences from a source and write it into your essay. You work these quotes into your own writing. So we have two options. First, we can name our source in the signal phrase, which is the sentence in which the source material will be used. So here I typed the author's name in and then added the part of his stuff that I wanted to use here. Because I have named the source in the signal phrase, I do not need to identify the author in my parentheses, just the page number. In the second example, I do not name the author in the signal phrase. I just write my sentence and add the quote to it. Because I've used this author's words and I did not give credit in the signal phrase, I have to add the author's last name to my in-text citation. There's no commas between the author's last name and the page number, and also notice there is no page, there's no letter P, there are no letters PP in the parentheses, just the last name and the number. Now let's do a quick Works Cited citation for this source. Let's center the title and type in Works Cited. And then let's format for hanging indent, and I have a video on how to do this if you don't already know. Then type the author's last name and then the first full name followed by a period. Then add quotation marks and the article title followed by a period and ending quotation marks. For titles in our Works Cited pages, we capitalize nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Do not capitalize articles, a, and the, unless they are the first or the last words of the title or they follow a colon. Do not capitalize coordinating conjunctions, which are your fanboys, and do not capitalize prepositions like over, under, through, in, behind, those kind of words, unless the coordinating conjunction or the preposition is the first or last word of the title or it immediately follows a colon. Now let's add the name of the journal in italics and follow that with a comma, and then the volume number, which is shortened to VOL, period, and then follow that with a comma, and then the issue number. Some journals call these issues, others call them numbers. In your citation page, type in NO and period, and then the number, and that is followed by the date. This article only offers the year of publication, so that's all this citation gets. Several articles, however, will give you a month, a day, and a year. If so, just type the abbreviation of the month followed by a period and the year followed by a comma. And then finally we add page numbers. Type in 2 small p's and then the page number. If you stay in the same hundreds, like between 537 and 563, then just type 537 through 63. But if you change hundreds, like 589 to 605, then type 589 to 605. Don't forget to check your citations against the MLA guidelines, especially if your source has something different than what we've looked at here. But this video shows you generally how your in-text and Works Cited journal article citations should appear in your essays. Thanks for watching, good luck with your writing, and I will see you next time.